You're gonna have to stir this for 2 minutes. Look me in the eyes. Tell me you love me.
Getting weird.
It's secret, shake it on the booze, yeah.
How you doing, folks? Rich Cassidy here with a brand new episode of Secret of the Booze. Did you ever buy a house that's just haunted beyond all repair? Well, maybe your dad decided to buy a house that was on an ancient Indian burial ground. And that burial ground has a few demons that are currently possessing your house. Well, you know, those demons, they desire an illumination. An illumination they can no longer have. So, in honor of Poltergeist, we decided to make a drink for you here today. The drink's so nice that it will illuminate a room. So what goes into the Poltergeist? First, you're going to boil some tonic water. As you can see, it's already glowing under the black light that we have. You're going to add that in. It's about 1 ounce of boiling hot tonic water. 1 cup. I'm slightly stupid. I'm amazed Paul didn't go only slightly.
Fighting it real hard.
Then we add in our blue Jell-O. The idea is we're trying to create the glowing TV from Poltergeist. You're gonna have to stir this for 2 minutes. Look me in the eyes. Tell me you love me.
Getting weird.
Alright, we'll call that 2 minutes. Next you add in Bacardi, dragon fruit flavor. So, dragonberry rum. Mix that bad boy up. Pour this ever so lovely into a shot glass. And happy Halloween. This will be a nice little treat. Put this away, let it chill for 4 hours. Holy shit, has it been 4 hours already? Oh my god, it's like magic. Look at that, Jell-O. And now, here's where, like I said, the beauty of this drink comes in. We already have our black lights on, so we're gonna turn off the other lights. And you can see, these bad boys glow under black light. Check that out. Isn't that nice? It's pretty nice. I think it's nice. So now for the taste test. People always ask, this is the thing that always drives me nuts. On so many of these drinks that we make that are Jell-O shots, I'm looking at Paul, everyone's probably like, where the is he looking? They're like, how do you eat it? With a spoon! How have you ever eaten Jell-O in your life? You just go, That's actually really good. It's nice, it's sweet, yeah. It's not too like, Like I feel everyone always uses just straight vodka in their Jell-O shots, and then it's just like, that's painful. That's rubbing alcohol with a hint of sugar. This is nice. I like it. Good combo. How you doing?
Yep, definitely only had 1 Jell-O shot.
I'm on literally episode 3 right now. We've been doing this for a while. And there you have it, folks, a Poltergeist cocktail. A drink so nice that'll leave you in that perpetual dream state. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and share. And for all you other horror fanatics out there, be sure to check out our Halloween playlist. We have quite a few cocktails on there, and they're all really nice. Happy Halloween! Hey.
Why don't you have that Jell-O shot, Steph?
Yeah, have it.
Even yourself out.
Oh, nice second.
Steph, why didn't you use the spoon?
Spoons are for pussies.
We just talked about the spoon
This
thing.
is how I've always eaten Jell-O shots.
This is still recording. It won't let me. I don't know how to do the camera thing. I'm useless. I only do screaming. She's gonna die, and she's our only editor.
I just like went out my nose.
How'd that feel?
Delicious.
Your teeth are so blue. When's the last time you brushed your teeth? They're so blue.
You need.
Thank you for watching Secret of the Booze. Be sure to subscribe and watch past episodes. As always, if you have a geeky cocktail, let us know in the comments below.